Welcome to the third part of the video tutorial on calculating the steric parameters of the PNNP expanded pincer ligand. In this part of the tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate the G parameter using the solid G program. So here I've opened the solid G program and I've opened the file containing the XYZ coordinates of the PNNP dicopper dichloride complex with third butyl substituents on the phosphines. Few things are important to note about this input file. First of all, for the program to recognize the input file correctly, the atoms need to be individually labeled, so in this case with a letter and a number. If this is not the standard format the program you use produces the XYZ file, you'll have to do this manually. Secondly, we're using the input file we made in part 1 of this video tutorial, where we placed this bismuth atom at the midpoint between the two metal centers. And thirdly, I've removed the copper and chloride atoms from this input file. The first step is to select the midpoint of the sphere. For this, we use the dummy atom we've created in part 1 of this video tutorial. So we type in BI1 and we click Select Atom. We can then click Identify Ligand, which makes the program identify all the atoms that are part of the PNNP ligand, and it shows this by placing a 1 in the column ligand. Also, it's now recognized both nitrogen atoms as being bound to the ligand. We can then click Calculate Angles, and this gives us the results. If we scroll down, we find here the G parameter in percent, which is 51.86. If we want to start the viewer, we click Start Viewer, which allows us to rotate the molecule and see where it shades the sphere.